Hey everyone, this is Thomas Doig. Just wanted to give you a quick preview of an upcoming tutorial. This one we will be modeling the classic Lego man. Great fun little project. I'm sure there's plenty of you out there that grew up with Lego. It still exists today. It's so popular, and I thought it would be a great opportunity to show you how I approach the problems and challenges that came with modeling this. It is pretty simple. It looks simple. There are a few little bits in there that can be a little bit tricky for those starting out. We'll be using a blueprint, as you can find it online, and it's very helpful. I use the blueprint here, but we'll be going over that in the tutorial. And if you would like to participate in this video tutorial, then stay tuned, and I'll be uploading soon. Thanks very much. Bye.